Ukrainian FPV drone operators tracked down and destroyed a Russian BM-21 Grad carrying a full ammunition load, triggering an explosion so powerful that only a single wheel was left behind. The strike was carried out by pilots from Ukraine's 63rd Mechanized Brigade, the Ministry of Defense of Ukraine reported, releasing footage of the attack. The Russian multiple-launch rocket system was reportedly fully loaded when the FPV drone struck it, causing its onboard ammunition to detonate in a massive secondary explosion. Footage released by Ukraine showed the vehicle being engulfed by the blast. According to the Defense Ministry, the destruction was so complete that only one wheel remained recognizable afterward. The BM-21 Grad, its name meaning hail, is one of the most widely deployed multiple-launch rocket systems in the world. Developed in the early 1960s, the system entered Soviet service in 1963 and has since been used in conflicts worldwide. Russia continues to employ large numbers of Grads in its war of aggression against Ukraine. Mounted on a Ural 4320 truck chassis, the system carries 40 launch tubes for 122mm rockets and can fire its entire load in roughly 20 seconds. A full salvo can saturate an area of up to 14.5 hectares, or about 36 acres, making the system particularly dangerous against troop concentrations, defensive positions, and infrastructure. Depending on the ammunition used, the Grad can engage targets at ranges of up to 40 kilometers, or roughly 25 miles. Earlier, Ukraine's armed forces destroyed Russia's new HIMARS-like Sarma multiple launch rocket system for the first time during a large-scale Russian mechanized assault in the Donetsk region. From a distance, the vehicle may look relatively difficult to identify, but FPV drone operators do not necessarily need a perfect visual picture of the target. Small first-person view drones have increasingly become a major threat to artillery, armored vehicles, logistics trucks, command posts, and other military equipment operating within range of Ukrainian drone teams. The drone approaches the target at low altitude. The final seconds of the flight are extremely fast. The FPV camera appears to be directed toward the Grad launcher as the drone closes the distance. Then, suddenly, the drone impacts. A huge explosion erupts around the vehicle. The initial blast is followed by a much larger fireball, suggesting that the strike may have ignited ammunition or fuel carried by the launcher. The explosion rapidly expands outward, throwing debris into the air and sending smoke high above the battlefield. What makes the footage particularly striking is the apparent destruction of the launcher itself. Instead of simply being damaged, the vehicle appears to have been torn apart by the blast. In the aftermath, only fragments of the vehicle remain visible. One particularly dramatic detail reported in connection with the footage is that what appears to be a single wheel is left behind after the explosion. Whether every detail of that description can be independently verified is another question, but the visual evidence clearly demonstrates the destructive potential of attacking an artillery system while it is carrying ammunition. The BM-21 Grad has been one of the most recognizable multiple-launch rocket systems on battlefields across Eastern Europe for decades. A truck carries a launcher containing multiple rocket tubes. Once positioned, the system can rapidly fire a large number of rockets toward a designated area before relocating. That ability to fire and move is important because artillery crews know that remaining in one position for too long can expose them to counter-battery fire. But the rise of inexpensive FPV drones has changed that calculation. A drone operator can search for artillery positions from the air, identify vehicles hidden among trees or buildings, then guide a small explosive drone directly toward the target. Unlike conventional artillery, the drone can provide the operator with a live video feed during the final approach. This allows the operator to make small corrections until the last possible moment. The result is a weapon that may cost dramatically less than the military equipment it attacks. And that economic imbalance has become one of the defining characteristics of modern warfare in Ukraine. A relatively inexpensive drone can potentially threaten an artillery system worth hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars. But the financial calculation is only part of the story. The real military value of a Grad launcher comes from its ability to provide sustained battlefield fire support. Destroying one launcher therefore does more than simply remove a truck from the battlefield. It can reduce a unit's ability to deliver rocket artillery barrages, force commanders to reposition their artillery assets, and potentially disrupt planned operations. The ammunition itself can also become a major vulnerability. A Grad launcher carries multiple rockets in its ready-to-fire configuration. If an incoming drone detonates near the launcher, the initial blast can potentially ignite propellant, warheads, fuel, or other combustible materials. Images and videos from the Russia-Ukraine war are frequently shared across social media without complete information about when or where they were recorded. Others are reposted with incorrect descriptions, and battlefield footage can sometimes be edited or presented without enough context to independently verify the claimed result. Therefore, the safest conclusion is that the footage appears to show a Ukrainian FPV drone attacking what is identified as a Russian Grad-type multiple rocket launcher, while the exact location, date, and complete battlefield circumstances may require additional verification. A vehicle hidden beneath trees may still be detected by a drone. A launcher moving along a road may be spotted from above. Even artillery systems that remain stationary for a short period can potentially become targets. This has encouraged both sides to change the way artillery is deployed. Units increasingly rely on dispersion, camouflage, movement, decoys, electronic warfare, and short firing windows. The goal is simple: fire quickly, relocate quickly, and avoid giving enemy drones enough time to find and attack the position. The drone itself can sometimes travel considerable distances while remaining extremely difficult to detect from the ground. Once the operator identifies a target, the final attack may take only seconds. That compresses the reaction time available to the crew. And for a vehicle loaded with ammunition, those few seconds can determine whether the crew escapes or the entire system is destroyed. The reported destruction of the Grad also illustrates another important trend in the war: the growing integration of reconnaissance and strike operations. A drone may first be used to locate a target. Another drone or artillery system can then be used to attack it. In other cases, the same FPV platform can perform both observation and strike functions. This creates a battlefield where information can move from detection to attack extremely quickly. The longer a target remains exposed, the greater the chance that it will be engaged. For artillery units, this creates a constant race against time. They must identify targets, calculate firing solutions, launch their rockets, and then move before enemy drones or counter-battery systems locate them. The destruction of the single launcher may not change an entire battle by itself, but repeated attacks against artillery can gradually reduce a unit's firepower. They can force commanders to conserve ammunition, reposition launchers farther from the front, or spend additional resources protecting artillery positions.